Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This is just going to be a simple bow along. As you can see, I have the pieces for a Bade boutique bow done. This is just a project I'm going to show you. I will link the tutorial for the Bade boutique bow down below. The ribbon I'm using, the Maine butterfly ribbon, is the Flutter By ribbon from Ribbons and Bows Oh My. Again, I have said this before with my Ribbon and Bows Oh My ribbon videos, is this is not sponsored. This ribbon I purchased myself with my money. In fact, I purchased it with my part of my stimulus money. I'm just showing you guys what you can do with this ribbon and to show you guys what the ribbon looks like so that if you're interested in it, you can purchase it. The ribbons I also used with it, I used the aqua polka dot ribbon. As you can see here, this is from Hair Bow Center. I will link that down below. And I used solid grosgrain from Ribbon and Bows Oh My. We have aqua here. And then this is 7/8. And then in 3/8 and 7/8, I am using coral. Bring that so you guys can see that. This is the bulk that I purchased. So as you can see, you get nice big rolls. These are 20 yards. And the Flutter By is 1.5 inch. So as you can see, I have all of my pieces for the Bade boutique bow done. I have yet to line my clip though. I did get a question about this tray right here. I had somebody DM me on Instagram asking about it. I got this tray to hold all of my clips from Dollar Tree. And these, oh, you can't see them, but you've seen these in the past. These are just little office holders. And I actually got these, they're makeup storage. I got them from the Target dollar spot. I'd flip it upside down so you could see where it says it's $3, but then I'd be spilling all of my clips. But this is from Dollar Tree. And it works great on my desk to hold all of my little clips. Like I've got the wee little alligator clips. I've got the medium-sized ones. And then I've got the double prong ones. These are the ones I use on a regular basis. This is why I have that. But this is like $1 at Dollar Tree. All right. Now that I've gotten that out of the way, I am going to work on this bow really quick while I discuss some, just talk. And that's pretty much what I'm going to be trying to do with the bow along. I'm hoping everybody is staying safe where they are. At the time of filming this, I know that COVID vaccines are rolling out a lot. In some states, though, unfortunately, people are not able to get the vaccine. Here in Maine, it is limited to people over a certain age group or healthcare workers, which I am not. And last week, my son was actually home for a couple of days because they had 2 more cases of COVID in his school, and there weren't enough substitutes and teachers to cover all of the classes. So I know that's nothing compared to what some people are going through, but I'm just hoping everybody is staying safe and not doing anything risky. And right here, as you can tell, I am just lining the clip. I've had a lot of people question why I line the clip this way and why I don't line it the other way. This is just the way I do it. I think lining clips is a personal choice. You can line it the other way to where you're doing this along the back of it. That's totally up to you. It's, like I said, it's personal choice. This is just the way I do it, and this is the way my customers enjoy their clips. So there really is no wrong way to do this. Comment below if you are interested in seeing me do a favorites products for bow making. I've been thinking about doing that lately, just running through like products, some of my favorites that you can purchase, and leave links to where you can buy them in the description box. If that's something you're interested in, please comment below and let me know, and I will be more than happy to do that for you. Alright, we're going to clip off the excess. And then I just run my hot glue over the edges and clean up any glue that may have spilled out. This lighter's really testing my patience today. Alright. We're going to assemble all of this. This is a 4-inch pinwheel base bow, and I use 7/8 ribbon to make this. And then on top of that, I am going to add the spikes that I made. This is done with 8 pieces of 7/8 inch ribbon cut to 5 inches long. And like with all of my spikes, they are all glued together to keep them perfectly fanned out. I know I've said in previous videos, my customers just prefer their spikes like that. Alright, we're going to add the clip here that you watched me line. I have 2 more videos after this for ribbon that I got from Ribbon and Bows Oh My. And then we have a couple other interesting videos. There's going to be a blind choice challenge at some point. So looking forward to that. We'll also have a Mother's Day and Father's Day bows coming up, where I will link for images from probably one of my favorites image creators, Jazzy Caps. I know you guys have heard me talk about her on my channel already. Jill is a wonderful, creative individual, and I really, really love her images. Now that everything is put together, we are going to add the center wrap ribbon inside the clip. Just press down for a moment, make sure that it adheres. Wrap the center wrap ribbon around. I just really love the aqua and coral combo. I think it looks so pretty. It's very fresh and spring. And as here in Maine, we are finally just starting, as I'm filming this, to go into spring. The other night we had temperatures that dipped down into like the low 30s. So we're finally getting decent weather. In fact, I have a couple of windows opened up in my house as we speak. which is wonderful because it is, what's the temperature out here? It's 63 here today, guys. So we are finally getting some decent weather, which I am very excited about because that means I can start putting away all of my winter stuff and start busting out my capri length leggings. And I do love my leggings. I really do. Alright, there we go. At this point, I will just sit here and pull on the loops, get them nicely evened out. Adjust the spikes, because you will, when you wrap the center, the spikes will shift ever so slightly. And once you're happy with the way it looks, I then take and glue the spikes closed. Just a little bit of glue because you don't want it oozing. What I'll do is I'll pull the trigger and just drag my glue gun across so that I get a film of hot glue, but not actually a bead. It tends to ooze a little bit less that way. And then I will give a final little tug. And then my bow is ready for stiffening. And I've had several people ask about how I stiffen my bows. With the current shortage of Stiffen Quick, I have been forced, unfortunately, to use Stiffen stuff. Not my favorite. I'm not gonna lie, it's really not my favorite. And then what I do is I just have a cardboard tray. This is actually 2 of them. But I have a cardboard tray with a towel that I could probably beat somebody to death with because it's really hard. But I just lay the bow down inside, as you can see right there. This is stiffened stuff in this bottle. Just the spray bottle I had stopped pumping. So I got these little spray bottles at Dollar Tree. They came in a pack of 2. I'm not particularly fond of stiffened stuff. I prefer Stiffen Quick, but I wasn't able to buy it, so. And I found that these spray bottles, it's just easier for me to use my thumb. I don't know why. It pumps better. But I literally just soak this bow like that, and then it sits off for about an hour. Lets it nicely stiffen and dry, and then when it's done, it'll be ready to embellish. But that is just a simple bow lung, and I also went over how I stiffen my bows. I know a lot of bow makers use hairspray. I don't particularly like hairspray, but in a pinch, or if that's what you prefer, go right ahead, use it. Nobody's judging. I just prefer to use Stiffen Quick, but currently I am using this stuff. I got 12 bottles, I think, on Amazon, and I'm really looking forward to this being over and done with so that I can go back to what I prefer. But that'll be a while. And that is the end of the bow long. It was just a simple talking while making the bow and to show you guys just a color combination with ribbon from Ribbon & Bows Oh My. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please feel free to click the subscribe button somewhere down there. And click the bell button right next to it. Set your notifications to all so you are notified every time I upload a new video. I really appreciate everybody who has been watching my videos. I am attempting to get to the point where I monetize so that I can up my production game a little bit, because currently everything I'm doing right now is out of my own pocket. So I really appreciate that. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. Also, if you have any requests for tutorials or videos, you can leave that in the comment section, or you can check out our Instagram channel. I will leave that in the description box. You can check out previews for videos. I will be doing polls there, hauls on ribbon I purchase, as well as you have the ability there to DM me and request tutorials or ask me questions. So thank you guys for being subscribers and watching my videos. I really appreciate you guys are really wonderful. Have a great day, and I will see you again soon. Bye.